Oh, there's one right there in the shadow, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that is one. Good eye. This is always a really good high water spot.
You seen it?
Yep.
I'm gonna snag him. No, I think I got him in the mouth. Coming in, ready?
Yep. Good fish. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Good spot too, man.
Yeah.
Wow, it's bigger than I thought he was gonna be. That's a solid 18.
What, did he eat the worm?
Let's see. Yeah, he ate that worm. It's in the face.
Big nail.
Oh, good job. This is why we come out here. Yeah. On top of second fish dead now. That was it. He moved.
You get it?
Yep, he ate it. He's still there though. Usually I don't get second eats, but I don't know what to believe here.
Is that hooked in the mouth? Doesn't feel like it.
I think that's a mouthfish, yep.
Where's the drag on this thing? It's not...
That should be set right where we want.
Oh, okay.
Fun.
Yeah.
This is fun.
A lot of males, huh?
Yeah, tons of males today. There's definitely more fish in here than we anticipated. At least that I anticipated. And usually they skedaddle the hell out of here once you hook them, so I don't know if they're new fish coming in or they're coming off the seam, or if we disturbed them from up high. It's hard to say.
Oh my god, I gotta get this guy on the reel. What pound line is this?
So we have 3X to 4X, so we have 9 pound to 7 pound.
Oh, that makes me feel good.
Yeah, we can put some hurting on him. That's the biggest fish of the day, I think. Yeah, that's the biggest fish of the day.
Did we even see that one? That one was down deeper, wasn't it?
He was a little deeper. I think that's the one that we saw out on the seam that you spotted. Second fish is in the same line. Second fish is behind the green rock. First fish is in front of and slightly inside. Yep, drop. Another good one. You're rocking it, brother. This is sweet. Just outside of second fish.
He's closer in?
I guess not. Brown trout. Neat.
Oh!
Yeah, browns in here totally wild. Not a single stock brown on the blue. Alright, first fish pushed, second fish still there. Dude.
Funny hole.
Heck yeah, it is. We didn't even see him. Oh, you know, that might have been the first fish that moved out. New fish just fell back. He's now 2 feet in front of the, he's directly in front of green rock. Brand new fish. Big fish. Another 17 or so. Little closer. Yep. Right there.
I see him.
If you're gonna tilt the rod, tilt it towards their tail. There you go.
Ready?
Yep. Beauty. Beautiful fish.
Man, that is gorgeous fish.
Dude, this is dope.
Hey, this is your spot, man. This is great.